Guys, today I'm gonna show you how I do my washing, how I get the machine running. So let me show you how a blind person does it in South Africa. Okay, so I've got my machine already plugged in. It's already on.
Speech off.
Sorry, just got rid of my screen reader. And here I've got all my washing. So I've already put the washing powder in the washing machine, so everything goes in. Let's see, I've got some other washing here as well. Let's see, this is luckily a big washing machine. Wait, let's do this. I would sometimes take my thingamabob and throw everything inside, and then let's see, I also have okay, there's nothing there. Just let me go and find the rest of the washing. It's somewhere. Okay, so I found the rest of my washing. I've got like 3 of these washing baskets. There we go. That's the thingamabob I was talking about. Yeah, I'm Afrikaans speaking, for those of you who don't know. So sometimes I tend to forget my English words. So let's get the rest of the stuff in here. Even my doggy's, what do you call it? My doggy's jacket or warm clothing. There's 2 of them. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope, nothing. Close that. And then let's see, just get everything nice and level, and then let's just check the washing powder. Okay, there's enough in here. So this machine's got a lot of settings, but I don't use all of them. So let's just open the tap. I'm a bit short. Okay, the tap is open. So here's a ton of buttons here, but I had some Pro labels on it, but for some reason it got, like, it doesn't last like a day, it falls off again. So now I'm gonna just see where's the power button, and then start. So now my washing is going to start. I have to wait until that's done, and then I have to go and hang it outside. So it's gonna be running 4 cycles, and then it will play a small tune to let me know it's finished, but I usually just check on it. So this is how I get my washing machine started. So this is how I do it, and I'll try to make a few more videos to show you how I do other things as well. But yeah, this is my washing day today, so I'll be doing my washing, and then I'll be doing something else afterwards. So I'll see if I can make something interesting afterwards. So I hope you enjoy it.